Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's online session of Class 7 English. This is your Srinivas, English teacher from DAV High School. Hope you are all doing well. Dear children, let us recap what we learned in the previous session. The country mouse had to eat and drink what the town mouse had offered. Meanwhile, they had to run and hide themselves as somebody entered the room and opened the cupboard. The country mouse was tired of doing this and did not like to be there. Dear children, let us see what is going to be happen in the next page. So I think this is the last page. Dear children, all of you open the textbook and put your finger below the line. So listen to me very carefully. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. Dear children, by looking at the two lines in the textbook, we came to know that here in town life, the town mouse life is very miserable. Understand here? So that is all depending on the presence of the owner of the house. If the owner of the house entered the kitchen, immediately they have to hurry towards their respective places. See here, when all the things were silent at that moment, what happened here? Immediately the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. But what happened here? Come out now, cousin, he said. Understand? So here that means here that indicates somebody was opening the kitchen cupboard. So that shows the fear, the alarm, the frightening situation to the mouses. So that's why here once again the town mouse asked the country mouse, please get ready to go to our respective places, because here somebody entered the house. Now, let us move to the next lines. But they were not safe for a very long, twice more. They had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. Yes, it is not a safety place. But here, in countryside, wherever we want to go, wherever we want to roam, we can move very freely without having any sort of fear. But when it comes to the town side, the town life is very pathetic condition. We cannot stay for long time in town side. So this is the situation which is happening in the town side. Yes, move to the next line. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. Dear children, we can understand that here they are unable to lead their life peacefully, because here every time they have to get afraid of somebody. So here the country mouse was not interested to stay in the town mouse, because here every time they have to get afraid or frightening situation is happening in the town side. So that's why here the country mouse was not at all continue his way of staying in the town side. So dear children, the country mouse got bored. The country mouse felt that so it was not a favorable situation to them. So that's why he wanted to get back to his hometown, that is countryside, that is village side. So the next day the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, They did not visit each other again. The next day, what happened here? The country mouse so returned to his hometown, that is the countryside. But what about the town mouse? The town mouse still it is staying on in his cupboard, in the kitchen cupboard. So dear children, so we feel that here the both the cousins, both the brothers, they didn't visit each other, because here they got good experience by visiting different places. Country mouse visited the town side, town mouse visited the countryside. Here both the brothers got good experience by visiting both the places. So dear children, they came to know, okay, now here the town mouse felt that here the town's life is the best one, but the country mouse feels that here so the country life is the best one. Dear children, that is all depending on our attitude. But what we can say that here we can say very proudly that here those who are leading village life, they have very very peaceful life, pleasant life. So dear children, so I think we discussed glossary also. Now let us see here, answer the following questions. See here they are asked 12 questions. Please answer to these questions. Why did the town mouse want to go to the countryside? Describe the town mouse's experience in the countryside. What differences do you find between the country and the town? How can you say that the town mouse could not enjoy the dinner offered by the country mouse? What would happen if the person who opened the cupboard found any of the mice? Sixth one. Why did the town mouse travel in an ordinary train? Why did the country mouse go back to his house in the country? How can you say that the town mouse was not comfortable in the country? Ninth one. How are the streets of the town different from those of a village? Here, describe the lifestyle of the country mouse in town in 2 or 3 sentences. The town mouse and the country mouse did not visit each other again. Why? Give reasons for your answers. Right. Here they asked choose the best answers from the choices given to complete the sentences. Dear children, try to complete these answers by reading the textbook thoroughly. Right. First one. The town mouse and the country mouse are. Yes. What is the first answer here? B. Cousins. Second one. The house of the town mouse was a field in a village, B. a building in a village, C. a kitchen cupboard in a town. So, what is the correct answer here? Here, second one, C is the correct answer. A kitchen cupboard in a town. Third one, the house of the town mouse was A. full of most delicious food, B. full of sugar canes and roots, C. full of coconut water. So third one, A is the correct answer. Full of most delicious food. Fourth one, at the end of the story, the country mouse A. went back to his country, B. stayed in the town, C. visited the town mouse. Fourth one, A is the correct answer. Went back to his country. Now, say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the wrong statements. First one, the country mouse lives in a town. So it is false. First one is false. Second one, the town mouse felt very comfortable in the train. False. Second one also false. Third one, it was hot when the town mouse traveled to the countryside. Third one is true. Fourth one, the town mouse liked to eat cooked food. Fourth one, true. Fifth one, there are more lights, cars, and lorries in the town than in the village. Fifth one, true. Right. Now let us see vocabulary. The following statements are from your lesson. Read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. Try to tick mark. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. So the underlined word countryside mean A. A land with towns and cities. B. A neighboring country. C. A land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. So here the first one, what is the correct answer here? Yes, the C is the correct answer. A land outside towns and cities with fields, woods, etc. Second one, the townmost packed is bags. A. Put something in a container so that it can be stored. B. Put clothes, etc. into a bag in preparation for a trip away from home. C. Put expensive things in a bag so as to keep them safe. Second one, what is the correct answer here? Second one, B is the correct answer. What is the correct answer here? B is the correct answer. Right. Right. Look at the third one here. The day was bright and sunny. The underlined word sunny means A. With a lot of bright light from the train. B. With cool wind from the east. C. Without rain. Third one, what is the correct answer here? A. A is the correct answer. With a lot of bright light from the sun. Fourth one, he nibbled at the root and the sugar cane. Underline word is nibbled at. What is the meaning of nibbled? A. Took a large quantity of food. B. Took a small quantity of food showing a slight interest. C. Took food with a great interest. Here, fourth one, what is the correct answer here? Yes, B is the correct answer. Right, next one, fifth one. The country mouse arrived in town. What is the meaning of the word arrived? A. Left for a place. B. Go to a place. C. Left a place. Fifth one. What is the correct answer here? B. Got to a place. Now fill in the blanks using appropriate phrases given below. Looked around, plenty of, full of, piece of, got of. Rambabu started his journey to his grandfather's village in Warangal district. He caught a train to reach the village. The train arrived at the station at the time. He was hungry and thirsty. As soon as he dashed the train, he wanted to drink and eat something. So he dashed but found nothing to eat or drink. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. On the way, he found a shop which was dash cool drinks. He had dash money, so he bought a cool drink and a dash bread. Right. Let us see the first one. As soon as, as soon as, as soon as he, first one is got off. What is the first one here? Got off. Next one here, as soon as he got off the train, he wanted to drink and eat something. So he dash. What is the second one here? Yes, looked around. This is second one, looked around. But found nothing to eat or drink. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. On the way, he found a shop which was. Now, what is the correct answer here? Third one, full of. Right, fourth one, he had dash money. Fourth one, plenty of money. Understand? On the way, he found a shop which was full of cool drinks. He had plenty of money, so he bought a cool drink and a dash bread, piece of bread. Fifth one is piece of bread. Now, third one, read the following sentences from your lesson and identify the underlined expression. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane. The expression sugar cane is a compound noun. What is the meaning of a noun? Noun is nothing but a naming word. Name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing is called as noun. Here compound nouns. Compound means the combination of two nouns. It is known as compound nouns. Here sugar cane. Sugar is a noun and also here cane also noun. Compound nouns usually written by keeping hyphen. Sugar cane. Understand? It is a combination of two nouns. Yes, sugar plus cane, sugar cane. Now read your lesson and pick out at least two compound nouns. Dear children, once again you have to go through the lesson. Try to find out as many as compound nouns. Let us form some compound nouns now. Join each words in column A with a suitable word in column B to form compound nouns. The first one is done for you. Dear children, here column A, birthday. So the birth is a noun, day is another noun. Here we need to combine the both the nouns. Here we can write here birthday, birthday. So in this way, dear children, in this way, please try to complete the given matching, okay, now with the help of column A, column B. So try to make a compound word with the help of the matching. Dear children, I hope you understood the first lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse, and also try to write down the summary of the lesson. Dear children, write neatly and correctly the summary of the lesson as well as the glossary, the question and answers.